In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Emma app. By updating Emma app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any errors or issues that might be related to Emma app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to update Emma app, you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store here. Then find this search bar on top here. Go ahead and tap on it to search for your app. Alternatively, if you can't see this search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it, search for your app. And if I tap on search, you can see we have our Emma video chat and meet app here. Go ahead and tap on update. This will go ahead and download the latest version of Emma and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of this Emma app. So that's how you can get the latest version of Emma app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.